So do you also wish to add your Facebook lead ads leads to any other CRM automatically? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to your CRM automatically with Pabbly Connect. So I'm an owner of a digital marketing agency and I'm using Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly the lead received should be added as a person in my SEMDoc CRM. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my SEMDoc CRM using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as the owner of a digital marketing agency, I run Facebook lead ads for my business to help me generate potential customers. So now managing these leads manually can be time consuming and prone to errors. So by automatically adding Facebook lead ads leads to my CRM using Pabbly Connect, I ensure that every lead is captured and organized in real time. This not only saves me hours of manual work but also helps me to follow with the leads instantly, improving my chances of closing deals. It's an efficient way to deliver better results for me and streamline my agency's processes. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page which is named as Digital Dynamics, and here I'm running my Facebook lead ads on this particular Facebook page. So now here I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead should be added as a new person in my SEMDoc CRM. So here I've already built an automation where I've already connected my Facebook lead ad form with my SEMDoc CRM using an automation software. So now here in this video, firstly we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built by generating a test lead in a lead ad form. So for that, let me take you to the lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here in this lead ads testing tool by Meta, you can see the lead ad form that I'm running. And now here in this video, we are going to make a form submission over here in order to check that whether a new person is added in a SEMDoc CRM or not. So here you can see I've already pre-filled this form with some details. So now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our SEMDoc CRM. And here you can see we have successfully created a new person in our SEMDoc CRM with the name dummy user and the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation that I've already built. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ad with the SEMDoc CRM using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add Facebook lead ads leads to your CRM automatically. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook Lead Ads. So Facebook Lead Ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. They are used to generate leads directly on Facebook without requiring users to leave the platform to fill out a form on a website. So here in my Facebook Lead Ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Facebook Lead Ad, then instantly and automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my Facebook Lead Ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook Lead Ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have created a Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my page which is named as Digital Dynamics. So this is my Facebook page, and now here after selecting the page, here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite, and here in the lead ads form you can see all the lead ads form which I've created for my use till now, and here you can create your own lead ad form as per your need. So now here in this case I'm going to use my form which is named as new form. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the lead gen form I'm going to select my form as new form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting my page and my lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now here after clicking on the save and send test request, here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook Lead Ad. So here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. And here in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to generate a new lead, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead, and now here after clicking on this delete lead, I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. And now here again after refreshing the window, I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics and my form as new form. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the service interest, I'm going to select the interest as website design, best time to contact as afternoon, first name as test, last name as lead, email as testlead@pabblytudes.com, and then here I'm going to enter random phone number, and then here for the company name I'm going to enter the name as XYZ company, and then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. So once we have received new leads from our Facebook Lead Ad, I want to add the lead received to my CRM, that is Semdoc CRM, as a new person. So for that, I need to connect my Semdoc account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Semdoc. So Semdoc is an easy to use CRM tool designed to help small businesses manage their contacts, leads, and sales. It keeps all customer information in one place, making it simple to track conversations, schedule follow-ups, and close deals faster. So here in my Semdoc action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a person, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Facebook Lead Ad, then automatically and instantly the lead received should be added as a person in my Semdoc CRM. And now here to connect my Semdoc with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Samdoc account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the email address and the password. So here I'm going to enter my Samdoc account details. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the first name, last name, email address and some other fields as well. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the first name. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the last name. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the lead's email address. Here this name prefix is not required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. Again, this gender is not required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. Again, this mobile number, private number and some other fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new person in our Samdoc CRM for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And now here I'm going to scroll a little down, and here you can see we have successfully created a new person with the name test lead. Here you can see the email address and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Samdoc. So that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly the lead receiver is going to add as a person in our Samdoc CRM. Okay, so these were the steps to how to add Facebook lead ads leads to your CRM automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.